Jordan? Do you want to learn how to say boo for your first Halloween? You wearing your Halloween outfit? So cute. Do you want to say boo? That's not ladylike to show your belly. Say trick or treat. Trick or... That's not candy. Yeah, that's not candy. Say trick or treat, smell my feet. Smell my feet. Smell my feet. Mommy didn't take the tag off. Trick or treat, smell my feet. Give me something good to eat. Okay, say happy Halloween.